By the end of this video, you'll know how to post a video on LinkedIn. Let's get into it. What's up, busy people? Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have been struggling with your social media marketing, feeling like you're putting out way more effort than you're getting back, feeling frustrated, you're in a great place. Every week, we release a quick video to help you with a different piece of your social media marketing strategy. If that sounds like something you could use, take a second, click subscribe, click that bell. That way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter, and today we're going to show you how to post a video on LinkedIn. LinkedIn video is exploding. I'll show you not only how to do it, but also some best practices to utilize when you are putting your video on LinkedIn. First, I'll show you on the computer, and then I'll show you how to do it on a mobile device. Obviously, you can share a video on LinkedIn just by pasting a link to YouTube or Vimeo. But if it's your video, like if you own the video, then upload it instead of linking to it, because that way you'll get far more reach in the LinkedIn algorithm, because LinkedIn doesn't want people leaving for YouTube. Just like with anything, you're going to start here in the posting box, or you can skip right over here to the right. That's the little video camera icon. Go ahead and click that. It's going to ask you to choose a file. So when you're choosing a file, just know a couple of things. The videos can be horizontal or vertical, but vertical videos will be cropped into a square in the feed. And the time limit is 10 minutes, although honestly, getting somebody to watch something for more than about 60 to 90 seconds is going to be a challenge as they're scrolling through their feed. So just a couple things to keep in mind. So now my file is here and ready to go. I want to go ahead and add a caption to the post. And when you are doing this, keep in mind that the videos will autoplay in somebody's feed, but the sound will not be on. So I know when I'm browsing and I see a video, I will often look at the caption to see what it's about. So you want to make sure your caption is attention-grabbing so that somebody wants to turn on the sound and listen to what you're saying. Now that I've got my caption, I can consider adding some hashtags at the bottom. Something else that might be worth it, since the videos play without sound, is you can add captions. So if I click on the little pencil right here, I can go through and add an SRT file, which is a caption file, to my video, and that way, even if the sound is off, they'll be able to see what I'm saying. As of this recording, you can't choose a thumbnail on LinkedIn. It'll just take the first frame of your video. What you can do is make a custom graphic that you want to be your thumbnail, and then when you build your video in your video editor, make that the first frame. It can just be a fraction of a second there. It just needs to be long enough so that it shows up as the thumbnail if you want it to. Or you can just look like this, like I'm singing out a big, bright note. Once your post is ready to go, just go ahead and hit the blue post button. It's going to upload and process your video, and then it will start showing up in people's feeds. As I hop over to my smartphone here, just so you know, this is an iPhone, but it's very similar on Android. I'm in the LinkedIn app, and I'm going to, again, up here at the right of post box at the top, I'm going to tap the little video camera. One of the big differences is on your mobile device, you can actually record a video on the fly just by tapping the big red button, rather than just uploading one. Now, there are some people that say, oh, well, your videos on LinkedIn need to be more polished. I say, one, don't limit your creativity, and two, if you're in the moment, you have something great to share, as long as you're bringing something you think is valuable for your followers, just do it. Go for it. But if you were uploading a video like we did on the desktop, go ahead and tap the icon on the left there at the bottom. Brings up the videos on your phone. I'm going to go ahead and tap the one I want. You can play it, make sure that it's the right one. And there's actually some tools here at the top. I can tap the little Post-it note looking icon. Actually, those are stickers. You can actually add stickers to the top of your video if you want. And then the little T in the box, that's for text. You can actually add text to your video if you want. Now, this is a 7-minute video, so I'm probably not going to go through and do all that. But if you were recording a quick video, LinkedIn videos can be as short as 3 seconds. You can go ahead and dress them up that way. When you're ready, tap the blue arrow at the bottom. Puts it in your post, and then you go through and everything else is pretty much the same as it was on the computer. If you found this video helpful and you want to save more time on your social media, there's no better way to do that than to have a social media marketing plan. I encourage you to download our free guide, The 5-Step System to Building a Profitable Social Media Marketing Plan. You can download it now. The link is in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. If it was helpful, give this video a like, click subscribe. You're not only supporting me, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.